businesses try to provide distinctive and memorable experiences for their customers in the ever-changing world of retail. A customized interface that reflects their brand identity and resonates with their target audience is a critical component of accomplishing this. The importance of a personalized touch is recognized by Shopify POS, the leading point-of-sale system. Shopify's customizable interface enables businesses to design a shopping experience that exactly corresponds with their brand image, increases customer engagement, and supports a smooth transaction procedure. In this video, we will look at the importance and advantages of a configurable interface in Shopify POS. The influence of branding. A recognizable and consistent brand identity is critical in attracting clients and distinguishing a company from its competition. Shopify POS's customizable interface gives retailers a great tool for infusing their brand aspects into every area of the point-of-sale experience. Businesses may customize the interface with everything from color schemes and fonts to logos and background pictures to represent their distinct brand persona. Retailers may create a unified and engaging shopping experience for their customers by including consistent brand aspects throughout the interface. Customers get a sense of familiarity and trust when the interface matches the brand's visual identity, which improves their overall perception of the business. This, in turn, contributes to the development of a strong brand presence and develops brand loyalty. Personalization to improve user experience. One-size-fits-all solutions frequently fail to meet retailers' different demands and preferences. Shopify POS tackles this issue by providing a customizable interface that enables businesses to customize their point-of-sale system to their individual needs. The option to customize the interface allows merchants to optimize the user experience for both their employees and their customers. Businesses can optimize their operations and maximize productivity by adjusting the layout, menus, and features according to their workflows. This not only saves time, but also reduces transaction errors, resulting in a more seamless checkout procedure. Furthermore, because the interface is customizable, organizations can prioritize the most important information and actions on the screen. Retailers can deliberately arrange frequently used elements such as payment methods or promotions in prominent areas for easy access. This convenience increases employee productivity and reduces training time for new employees. A customized interface improves the purchasing experience for customers by providing a familiar and intuitive interface. A perception of coherence and professionalism is created by the visual uniformity and seamless integration of brand aspects. Customers will be more satisfied and trusting of the brand as a result of this. Emotional connection and aesthetics. Humans are inherently drawn to visually beautiful places, and retail space is no exception. The physical and digital aesthetics of a store have a significant impact on customers' emotional connection to the brand. Retailers may build a visually beautiful atmosphere that resonates with their target audience by using Shopify POS's customizable interface. Businesses can create specific emotions and improve the overall purchasing experience by incorporating visually attractive imagery, captivating designs, and compelling color schemes. A high-end fashion business, for example, can personalize the interface to feature opulent images, exquisite typefaces, and a streamlined color palette, communicating a sense of elegance and exclusivity. A vivid and lively interface with bold colors and amusing images, on the other hand, would be more appropriate for a children's toy business. Retailers may create a fascinating ambiance that captivates and engages customers by aligning the interface with their brand's desired emotional appeal. This emotional connection creates a lasting impression and increases brand memory, enticing customers to return to the store and become committed supporters.